In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get buy now, pay later account on Maven trading Propfirm. So without any further ado, let's dive in, let's dig in, and let's go straight to the main business. So the first thing you have to do is to click these three lines at the right top corner, this drop down menu. So once you click on it, okay, you are going to see different options. Click on products option, and you see other options like standard, one step. Select buy now, pay later option, and it will redirect you to this page. So next thing you have to do is to click the start trading button, and once you click on the start trading button, you're going to see the different account sizes. So we have from the $2,000 account size to up to $100,000 account size. So you can see you can decide to select any account size of your choice. Okay, so this is really amazing. And for the $2,000 account size, you're going to need to pay $40 later. Okay, and for the $100,000 account size, you have to pay $589 later. Okay, so you can decide to choose account size of your choice. Okay, and you're actually going to be paying $5 only, even if it is $100,000 account that you select. So you pay $5 now, and once you pass the account, you are going to pay the normal fee. Okay, for the $100,000 it is $589. So make sure you select the account size that you know that you'll be able to finance once you pass the account. All right, so that is it. Very simple and straightforward. So to buy the $100,000 account, click on buy challenge. Okay, and it will take you to the checkout page. I'll be buying the $100,000 account now. Okay, so and all I have to do is to fill in my details, and enter my postal code. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in my details right now, and once I do that, I will continue with the payment. So as you can see, I'm going to click on continue to payment, and it's redirecting me to the payment page. So on the payment page, okay, that's where I'm going to select the payment method I want to use. So I'm actually going to be using USDT. Okay, so if you're also using USDT crypto, make sure you have USDT in your crypto exchange wallet. Okay, so we have different options, different payment methods. So I'm going to select crypto. Okay, then I will select the currency, okay, which is USDT. All right, so after selecting USDT, I'm going to select the network, which is BEP20 network. Then I'll click on pay 5 USD. So it's loading. So here is the page where I'm going to copy the wallet address. So I just copy the wallet address now, and I will go to my Mexico Global Exchange account to make the payment. So I'm going to click on USDT, click on withdraw, on-chain withdrawal. Then I'm going to paste the wallet address. So I just pasted the wallet address now. So I'm going to select BEP20 network, then type in the amount I want to pay, which is 5.03. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm to make the payment. Okay, so let me confirm the wallet address again, 0xA56. It's correct. Yeah, very correct. So confirm. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm withdrawal, and boom. So all I just have to do is to wait for the payment to be completed, and once it is completed, I will receive a mail from Maven Trading. Okay, and they're also gonna send me the login details. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. So make sure you like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.